Hey, how's it going? It's AutoTips.ca coming to you again with another video. Today we're going to be answering a question that came to our email. So the thing was, how do we prevent in the summer anything that might happen with overheating or any safety concern? That was the question. So usually when you have a coolant leaking, you find out when it started leaking. So we just want to make sure you be proactive on that. And we're going to be showing you how you could tell if your coolant is going to be holding on for your trip. The radiator cap here. So always when you're working on the radiator cap, you just don't want to open it right away. You have the warning sign here. So knowing how many pounds it takes, it's very important because you don't want to over pressurize these. So we're just gonna push it and turn it, right? And this comes out when it's nice and cold. Here, same thing, has opening on both ends on the rad, so you just put it in there. Wait a little bit here. So that's tight. And you're gonna put pressure and look over here. So we're gonna go about 15 psi or so. Takes a little bit of time to kind of pressurize it, right? So it's holding around so we're leaving it at the green. You don't want to go too much pressure. So once you got the pressure building up, you just got to go around, look for any leaks. So you got the radiator here, then you got a lot of clamps down here, and look underneath if there's any leaks. So I'm looking at these hoses here. So you got the upper radiator hose here, and there's the same one on the other side, which is the lower radiator hose. So you look for any clamps who are sagging, or because you don't want to find that out when you're on the highway or when you're taking a trip. So you just look around the rad over here to make sure nothing is leaking. Look at your water pump area, which is not really a convenient way, but usually if there's a leak, you will see the pressure just dropping. In this case, I left it right around a little over 10 and it's holding. So that's a good indication that this car has no leak. So we address the coolant issue. And if you have any other questions that we want you guys to reach us at autotips.ca or autotips.ca on YouTube, Facebook. You can link us on all stuff, or you can email us at hightechautoss@gmail.com. And hopefully on the next video we can address this question that came in. High Tech is always here to support the community and worldwide.